And the High Court this morning ordered the immediate release of Tuko editor Didacus Malowa, who had been sentenced to jail for 5 years by the magistrate for defying a court order. Lady Justice Esther Minor said the application before the court seeking a review of the order to send the editor to jail had raised serious issues that needed to be considered. Meanwhile, Sirisia MP John Waluke will on Thursday know whether the High Court will uphold or revoke his jail sentence in the National Cereals and Produce Board.
To narrow.
Nairobi Magistrate Eunice Nyutu had jailed the Tuko editor Didacus Malowa for 5 days for defying a court order. The sentence emanating from a case where the online publisher had been accused of misreporting the National Youth Service corruption case. Lawyer Esa Nyakundi, acting for Malowa, told the judge that the editor was not given the opportunity to defend himself before he was sent to prison. The lawyer argued that the decision by the magistrate was made in bad faith and urged the Chief Justice to intervene. In a similar case, the Kenya Union of Journalists has mounted pressure to protect Kenya Broadcasting Corporation Chief Editor Millicent Awor from being punished by the court on alleged contempt. Awor, through her lawyers, have accused the magistrate of being partisan, arguing the arbiter should not handle the matter.
This is an assault on freedom of the media, and we are ready to fight and protect freedom of the media to the bitter end.
Meanwhile, the tribunal investigating the alleged gross misconduct of Justice Said Juma Shitembwe has pledged to expeditiously expand of the matter. In a statement on Wednesday, Joint Secretaries Sarayamo and Jasper Mbuki said the proceedings are being conducted in line with constitutional provisions. Chitembwe is being probed by the tribunal over alleged gross misconduct and abuse of office. Charges against him emanated from a series of videos unleashed by former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko in November 2021, adversely implicating the judge in corruption. Elsewhere in Kirinyaga, Purity Wangoi Ngirishi, who vied for the gubernatorial seat, is seeking to withdraw a case challenging the win of Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru. Ngirishi has sought to withdraw the case over what she terms as serious consultations with her team and the United Democratic Alliance Party. Ngirishi sought nullification of Waiguru's win on grounds of non-compliance with the law, voter bribery, unstamped or unsigned Form 37As, exclusion of her agents and lack of transparency in the voting and counting, and abnormal high turnout in Gishugu. Meanwhile, the fate of Sirisia MP John Waluke will be known tomorrow when the High Court delivers its judgment. Justice Esther Minor is set to deliver the verdict on the case where Waluke was sentenced to 67 years imprisonment for his role in the 297 million shillings maize graft. Nayoma Sampao, NTV.